Hi, I'm Rob Westover. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use section 2.12 of the AISC RCSC code to verify, install, and inspect our Squirter DTIs. Section 2.12 is in the spec for new tools or methods that aren't already listed. It allows you to write your own section 789 and implement it with the approval of the engineer of record. First is pre-installation verification. I'm going to verify a 7/8 A325 bolt with a Squirter DTI. I'm using a hydraulic load cell tester to measure the tension. For verification, I need 105%, which is 41,000 pounds. I'm using a nut side DTI setup, which is the easiest. Bolt through the hole, Squirter DTI bumps out, flat washer, and then thread on the nut. I'm going to pull the trigger on my wrench to get snug. The needle moves off the 0 pin, good, we're snugged. Now I drive the nut until I see orange media at all 5 bump locations. Just like it's done in the field, one smooth motion. I let go of the trigger once I see media at all 5 spots. I check the gauge. I'm over 41,000 pounds of tension, so the bolt passes. I do this 2 more times, and then I've completed pre-installation verification under section 2.12. Next is installation. Same process, just bolting in solid steel instead of our load cell. All bolts are snugged. I put on the wrench, tighten until I see media at all 5 locations, then move to the next. Once every bolt is showing full media, we are done. Inspection is visual. If the inspector sees 5 orange marks, the bolt is good. If they see less than 5 or none, like this one here, then you need to tighten it more. Let's go back and tighten it, and now we've got full indication. For this demo, I didn't set a torque or angle, but if you want, you can set your tool so it stops at a certain level as long as it's strong enough to get the DTI to squirt. Then you're good. If you want to learn more about setting your tools for this procedure, make sure to watch our next video on setting torque or angle for 2.12.